Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a star. Let's go. First, we'll start with the wheels, 2 big circles at the bottom. They help our car zoom around. Now let's draw the body of the car. Make it nice and smooth, like a race car. Next, add a cute little side mirror so our car can look behind. Now let's draw the shiny windows. Time for some tiny details. Door handles so we can hop in. Don't forget the headlight in the front and the tail light in the back. Now comes the best part, coloring. My favorite color is blue, so let's paint the body with a sparkling, shiny blue. Wow, it already looks amazing. Let's use some golden yellow for the handles and wheels, so fancy. Now grab your red paint and color in the mirror and lights. Let's add a splash of orange to the wheels, and finally, use a cool silver for the window glass. So shiny you can almost see your reflection. And we're done! Our car looks super awesome.